it's really easy to go down those rabbit holes. What I've found works best for me and my team members that I've had do things is make sure that you are constantly working with the business so that you're not going to far down a rabbit hole that they're like, I don't care about that. That doesn't affect me at all. Where if I can get the business partners feeling like it's their project and they're right beside you, like helping through it, that decreases the rabbit holes. It's still easy, but I think we all have a tendency to be like, well, that's an interesting problem. Let's go look at it. But if you have that consistent relationship with the business person where you are truly working together and it's not just, okay, data scientist, go do your thing and then come back when you're done. That's when I think the rabbit hole problem gets bad. And there's a tendency for, I think, both sides to be like, well, I'm busy in the business, so you just come back to me later. And that as the data scientist, I think you can't go for that. Like I require, if I'm doing work with you or for you, you have to be my partner. Otherwise, it's not going to succeed. I don't know if that helps you. But I have
I,
noticed people don't spend enough time creating that relationship and enforcing that relationship.